A memorial sign dedicated to defeat of anti-aircraft gunners of the Stalingrad Red Banner Corps Air Defense District is located in the south of the Kirovsky District of Volgograd on the street named after Sasha Chekalin. It is a black granite slab. Part of the monument are elements of anti-aircraft guns from the Great Patriotic War. Unfortunately, the original photographs of the girls of anti-aircraft gunners who defended the sky over the etovka have not survived, and therefore, when creating the sign, a later image of girls of anti-aircraft gunners from other air defense units was used. During the Battle of Stalingrad, anti-aircraft artillery and machine gun units of the Stalingrad Corps area of the air defense, repelling the raids of fascist aviation, shot down 204 aircraft with targeted, accompanying fire, one with defensive fire, while shooting at diving aircraft and attack aircraft -165. Austin, the anti-aircraft gunners had to join the ground forces and had to join the ground forces. Enemy troops reflect the offensive of tanks. During these battles, 173 tanks, 49 artillery and mortar batteries, and a large number of enemy infantry were destroyed. Even their enemies admired the feat of the girls of the defenders of Stalingrad. The pilot of the Junkers 87 dive bomber, Hans-Ulrich, who flew to bomb the Stalingrad State District power plant in the fall of 1942 from the Gummerk airfield, wrote about the accuracy of the Soviet anti-aircraft gunners.